Excellence is the cornerstone of Lude Transmission, and as such, rigorous quality control is conducted throughout each step of the manufacturing process. Rigorous machine inspections are conducted to ensure that operational performance, accuracy, and quality reach the highest standards. Sophisticated inspection instruments used to inspect specific machines include Rockwell hardness tester, 3-coordinate measuring, gear runout tester, ring and plug gauges, gear measuring machine, worm wheel tester. Our efforts in maintaining the highest quality standards have allowed us to earn complete customer trust and loyalty.